Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is the 15th, 10 days till Christmas. But that leads me into talking about how things may end up being a little bit slower here as we go into next week. We've got volume that's already light. It seems like these markets have already been heading into more of this holiday phase. So we'll see what it looks like today, but when you look at things, you do have corn up a little overnight, beans up a little as well, trying to recover from some of these losses we've had this week. But beans went right down to some support areas yesterday. So we've got a pretty great bounce going right now. Can we stay above this 970 area, though? Can we see some further extension here to the upside? We did have at 7:30 or at 8 o'clock this morning, USDA announced more sales to China, also to unknown for beans. We had some corn sales to Costa Rica this morning, as well as wheat sales too. So maybe we're going to get some kind of a better bounce here for the start. Can we hold that though throughout the session? Really will be the question. The issue for corn is that you have a lot of producers out there that had delivered grain to the elevator, and they're saying, well, at the end of this year, you're going to have to make a decision. Do I hang on to the grain? Or if I hang on to it, got to pay storage fees. Or do you just make those sales at that point? And I think because of cash flow issues, you're probably going to have a lot of sales being made at this point as well. So we'll see what happens, but that may keep a cap on corn. But as we get toward that January 12th report, there are a lot of changes that USDA is going to have to make to the balance sheet or recognize here at that time that could end up being a little bit friendly for corn as well. So keep an eye on that. But right now, for the now time period, it's still going to be relatively tough. The wheat market, finding some strength yesterday. Can it do it again today? One of the guys today said, well, hey, maybe we're just at a point that we have found some value in these grains. Certainly hoping that's the case, but we'll see if we get a little strength here today and can we hold it going into the weekend. So other than that, you've got livestock. You're going to find maybe a little bit of strength out of the cattle off the gates here this morning. Hogs seasonally around the 18th. We put in a little bit of a low, and we can still and see if we find some kind of a seasonal rally as we go toward the end of the year. Usually this last 2 weeks is a stronger period for livestock as a whole, for cattle and also for hogs. So we're expecting to see some kind of a bounce going toward the end of the year. Outside market's relatively quiet today, but give us a call. We're here to help you out. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Stay frosty and have a great weekend. We'll see you.